Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. I have a slight announcement to make that I think is going to be good for me and good for the channel. So, y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back with said announcement. All right, YouTube family. Uh, this is going to be a kind of a 2-for-1 video. Yesterday I went to Popeyes and I got the chicken. I got the fish sandwich again. And I guess about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I did a video on the fish sandwich, and I ranked it about an 8 out of 10. Delicious. But I started thinking it could have some slight improvements. And by the way, I thought it was called the spicy fish sandwich, but the gentleman at the window corrected me when I made my order yesterday, and he told me
it'll be like 7 minutes, but the fish is not spicy.
It's not a spicy fish sandwich. It's just a fish sandwich. All right. So I ordered the sandwich. I went to the park where I normally do my videos, or where I hang out at, or where I appear homeless, at least in my opinion. And my spot was taken, so I went to another spot. I cut the sandwich in half. Oh, I missed a part. I ordered the sandwich plain with nothing on it, no pickles, no special sauce. Then I went to the park. I cut the sandwich in half, and on one half I put wasabi sauce and pepper jack cheese. On the other half I put Wowee sauce and pepper jack cheese in order to give it a little flair. And the reason that was important to me is, and this is the announcement that I think is going to be good for me and good for the channel. I'm going to be trying for the next 30 days, I'm going to be trying the carnivore diet. Now, if any of you aren't familiar with the carnivore diet, it's pretty much a meat-only diet. It's similar to the Atkins diet. It's mainly meat, but what makes the diet different for me is I have high blood pressure and my cholesterol is a little elevated. So my wife, being a nurse, she recommends that I don't do the bacon and all the cholesterol-filled stuff, that I mainly stick with chicken and fish and perhaps lamb and a little turkey. But what makes that good for the channel is now we're going to start back to use the hog pen a little bit more. I had kind of drifted away from using my outdoor. Mainly it's raining a lot here in Louisiana. It rains every day. We probably missed 2 weeks of rain here in the last 3 months. So it's kind of hard to get out here in the hog pen and do your thing. But with me going on this carnivore diet, and did y'all know there's another level of the carnivore diet, and it's called the lion diet. And I think that's when you eat only meat. You don't add in any type of broccoli or any kind of low carb vegetables. You're strictly meat. So I'm not going to try the lion diet, but I am going to try the carnivore diet for about 30 days and see can we get this girlish figure back. But what makes that good for the channel is y'all going to start back to see the Big Easy turkey fryer. You're going to see the George Foreman grill, both of them, the George Foreman and the George Foreman Jr. You're going to see some barbecue, and you're going to see some different techniques, because just eating chicken the same way over and over again on, say, the Big Easy or the George Foreman is going to get boring. Seeing fish cooked the same way is going to get boring. So you're going to see me go into my arsenal, and I'm going to be looking for new ways and new and improved ways, and maybe some old forgotten ways in order to cook chicken, to cook fish, to cook lamb, to cook turkey. So I think it's going to be exciting for me, and it's going to be exciting for the channel. So, and by the way, you know how I mentioned in last week's episode how I like to show every now and then I do a little tidbit of something that has nothing to do with the video I'm recording. Y'all check this out. All right, fam, I don't know if I showed y'all this last time, But my bicycle, I think my nephew did mention the bicycle, so y'all must have saw it. But I got the bicycle hanging upside down. It was right there in the corner and it was in my way when I'm doing back exercises. So now I got that up and out of the way. I'm really proud of that. And this is what I brought y'all in to show y'all. This is the new addition to the shed. Not really the hog pen, but when I'm in here working out in the morning, I like to do 2-3 minute intervals on my bicycle and on this M7. Or is that an M7 or M7? And I couldn't really track my time. I'd have to use my Fitbit or a watch and that would throw me off. So this thing is rather expensive. I think it was $100 from Amazon, but I love it. It is a huge clock and stopwatch. It has a remote control with it. Here's the remote. Nope, that's the, where's the remote control? Oh, it's over here. I put the remote control over here. So it has a remote control with it. Let me grab the remote control. It has a remote control with it, and you can do different things. The display, right now it's saying it's what, that 39 degrees Celsius, which I'm assuming is 90 degrees Fahrenheit. But so it does a few different things. It has a stopwatch on it. Just a few different settings, but I love it. I think I'm gonna like it. This morning was the first morning I used it, and I was doing 3 minute intervals on each one of the machines and 3 minutes on the weeder workout machine, which I do have hooked up and ready to go. And I had a wonderful workout. I did some planks and the whole 9 yards. So with that being combined with my carnivore diet, I think your boy is gonna have his girlish figure back in no time. All right, fam. So like I said, that carnivore diet, I think it's going to be beneficial for us as a group, for me as an individual, for you. And I would love it if some of y'all would follow along, maybe comment if you have some recipes to help make the chicken or the tuna or the fish better, but keep it low carb. I would love for y'all to put that in the comments and help your boy out. But like I said, I think it's going to help the channel a lot because we're going to get more involved back here in the hog pen. I'll still be doing my thing from the Jeep. We're still going to be doing some camping. We're still looking for an RV. As a matter of fact, this weekend, now y'all, I'm going to post this probably on the 5th of July. But this weekend on the 2nd and the 3rd, we're going to be headed to Baton Rouge to see my sister-in-law, my wife's sister. I think we're taking my mother-in-law, and we'll probably do a little RV hunting. I may do a little footage, I may not. I might just keep it family friendly, YouTube-less. But so that's the game plan. So I just wanted to drop a quick video and let y'all know what was going on and let you know what was going to be happening. And that yesterday, that fish sandwich was my celebratory sandwich. But I believe in this application, the wasabi sauce wins. Wow. And that was the way I was kind of ending my old way of eating, my old way of doing things, and kind of introducing myself into a new. That opened up my sinuses. Fish sandwich, plain, without the bun. And they have a name for that now when you can order a hamburger or you can order a fish sandwich or a fish fillet and you don't have any buns or any condiments on it, and they just put it in this little closable platter. I forget what the name is. So I still can eat the fish sandwich just with nothing on it. I'm trying to keep my carbs below 50 carbs a day. Gonna be difficult, but we're gonna do it. So now, the hog pen is truly what it was made for. Not for pork, but for meat. This is going to be a meat eater's haven from here on in. We're going to be having, you're going to see, like I said, unique ways of cooking chicken, unique ways of cooking fish, and we're going to make it happen. All right, fam, it's been a quick down and dirty video, kind of an update, letting you know what was going on, showing you my new little toy there in the shed, my clock, my big clock. And we're going to end it here. We're going to bring this video in for a landing. All right, fam, if y'all enjoyed this video, as usual, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down. And I really appreciate y'all support with the my carnivore diet, and I appreciate your support with the channel. I think we're almost at 3,000 subscribers, and hopefully we can get this thing to take off and get up to the 10,000 mark. And I think that's where I'll be comfortable at, with about 10,000 subscribers, get my views up, and maybe get a little something coming in from YouTube, and can help support the channel and kind of keep this thing flowing. All right, fam, if y'all enjoyed this, once again, give it a thumbs up, if not a thumbs down, and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Y'all have a great day, a great week, a great Independence Day who just passed, and a great 2021. Hey!